Is this an emergency? This is an emergency. This is not an emergency. This is a medical emergency. This is not a medical emergency. Please call 911. Call the police. Call an ambulance. Call the fire department. Please help me. Help me. Help. I am hurt. I'm not hurt. My child is sick. My arm is hurt. My wife is sick. My husband is hurt. Which hospital do you want to go to? Do you have insurance? What is your health card number? How do you want to pay? Will you pay with cash? Will you pay by check? Will you pay with a credit card? How much will this cost? I do not have that much money.